Hey everyone, I hope you're having a marvelous day and welcome to the second episode of Cooking with Confidence. Today we're going to be cooking chicken curry, so without further ado, let's get cracking. Grab yourself a medium-sized onion, and we're only using a quarter. Now let's slice it up into very small pieces. Now grab a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, add in the onions, give them a little stir. Begin chopping 5 ounces of chicken breast. Add the chicken into your frying pan, give it a little stir. Grab yourself 1 clove of garlic, sure to remove its skin and chop it very finely. Once complete, add it in the frying pan with your other ingredients and mix in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir all the ingredients together to make sure that the meat is covered with all the spices. For everything exercise related, make sure to keep yourself subscribed to Weight Confidence. Click that bell notification and make sure to smash that like button. Now back to the video. Add 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth, 2 ounces of crushed tomatoes, give it a little stir, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Make sure to thoroughly mix it into the other ingredients. Leave to cook until completely cooked through. Add 1 cup of cooked brown rice to a nice sized plate. Position your rice on the plate and add your cooked chicken curry. Add a light sprinkling of cilantro, and your meal is now ready to be served. We've even included a handy breakdown of those micronutrients. If you've liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next great meal. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.